Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a DIY Ayurvedic hair treatment which contains amla, coconut oil and bananas. Our first ingredient is banana. Bananas contain silica, a mineral element that helps your body synthesize collagen and may make your hair stronger and thicker. It has antimicrobial properties that can heal flaky and dry scalp. It conditions and softens your hair. Next, we have Amla. Amla conditions and thickens the hair, reduces graying and adds a natural shine, strengthens and promotes hair growth. It also cleanses the scalp. Followed by aloe vera powder. Aloe vera strengthens your hair, helps with itchy scalp, and provides a healthy environment for hair growth. Followed by my DIY Ayurvedic hair oil, which contains cassia, fenugreek, amla, bringraj, aloe vera powder, neem and brahmi powder, grapeseed oil, castor oil, almond oil, and avocado oil. I'm now going to use my blender to blend the ingredients together into a smooth consistency. And it was at this point when I realized that I had forgotten to add one ingredient. Our last ingredient is coconut milk. Coconut milk is high in lauric acid, which is one of the main ingredients in coconut. This long to medium chain of fatty acids is known for its ability to penetrate the hair easily and help strengthen the cuticle. It is high in protein. Your hair is made of keratin, a type of protein that is supported by the types of proteins that you eat. Coconut milk has a high protein profile that can potentially keep your hair strong. It is high in vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6, which keep your hair healthy, strong, and moisturized. The natural fatty acid profile of coconut milk has extreme moisturizing effects which can restore both dry hair and scalp, acting as a powerful conditioner for damaged hair too. It has anti-inflammatory effects which may help scalp conditions such as dandruff. I'm straining my mixture through a sieve to get rid of banana seeds and amla and aloe vera powder which might get stuck in my hair. I'm applying the treatment to freshly washed hair. I'm detangling my hair first before applying the treatment to each section. This is the consistency of the treatment. I'm also using it to detangle further and then twist up that section. It felt so good applying this treatment. My hair felt so soft and moisturized instantly. I focus a lot of the treatment on the ends of my hair as these are the oldest parts of my hair and they dry up fast. I will apply the rest of the treatment off camera to avoid making this video too long. Now I'm done applying to all the sections. I will leave the treatment in my hair for an hour and then rinse it off. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.